In this video, I'm going to show you how to block pop-ups on your Google Chrome browser. So there's basically two different ways to do this. You can either block pop-ups for a specific website, or you can just block pop-ups altogether from appearing. So I'm going to show you both methods. Now, the first method is let's just head over to a website here, and let's just say this is the website that you wanted to block pop-ups from. Then all you would need to do is click on this icon next to the URL section, and then you should have this option called pop-ups and redirects. All we simply need to do is turn this off like so. And if you don't see this option, click on site settings. And then if you scroll down, you'll have pop-ups and redirects, and we just need to make sure this is set to block like so. And that's going to stop all pop-ups from this specific website. Now, if you want to disable pop-ups on all of your websites, then we can do that as well by clicking these three vertical dots in the top right-hand side, scrolling all the way down this and clicking on settings. From the left-hand side, click on privacy and security. Then we're going to scroll down and click on site settings. Scroll all the way down again until you see pop-ups and redirects. Click on this. And by default, you'll have sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. We're actually going to change this to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects, and that's going to prevent all pop-ups from any website. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.